Hi guys, today I'll be sharing you guys about water testing. The product that I use to test the water and what kind of test that I'm running for this tank. So firstly we have a calcium test kit from Salifert. This is calcium test kit for Salifert, and then for magnesium I have also a magnesium test kit from Salifert. Okay, and for pH I'm using this pH test pen. It looks like this. I just dip it in the water, then I can read the reading from the digital monitor here. Okay, and for salinity I'm using this portable refractometer. What brand is this? It's a ATC digital refractometer. This for the salinity. And nitrate, I'm using NIOS nitrate. I found it's easy to read the color chart using this test kit. Previously I was using API, but it's quite difficult to read the color chart on the API test kit. And for the DKH alkalinity, I'm using HANA checker, alkalinity. Okay. And for phosphate, I'm also using HANA. This is a phosphorus ULR ppb. Okay. So why did I want to do a water test kit testing video today is because as you guys know that I'm battling with ache in my tank. I'm still battling ache, but so far the only two fishes that has died is two clownfish. The rest of the fish is still healthy. They have ache, but they're still eating. So I will still do what I'm doing, which is to treat the tank with the Reef Safe Medic from Polylab and see how it goes. It has been around 3 weeks or more than that since I treated the tank. It's still there. I think some of my viewer has commented that the best way is to remove the fish and do a proper treatment for the fish, and I wish I can do that, but first of all I do not have any more space to add a new tank, a quarantine tank for the fish treatment, and I do not want to stress the fish and the coral, because it's not easy to catch a fish from the fully set up aquarium with the live rock, corals and all that. It's not easy to catch a fish. Okay, and so because of that ache situation, I've been feeding a lot to improve the fish immunity. I feed a lot. Feed pellet food like 2 times a day with a large amount, and nori sheets 2, sometimes 3 times a day. So I noticed that the tank has there's a lot of hair algae on the tank, on the rocks, on the sand. So what I'm doing is I need to test the two most important parameter that I want to know today is the nitrate and also the phosphate level in my tank. And if nitrate and phosphate level is really high, I have a product, I bought it, did not use it because a lot of mixed review for that products in the internet. So after I bought it, I don't dare to use it because of the reviews. But if the nitrate and phosphate is really high in my tank, I have to I'll take a chance to use it to try the products. Okay, let's test the water. Okay, so firstly what I want to test is the salinity. of the tank. Okay, the salinity is 1.026 or 35 ppt. 1.026 or 35 ppt, which is within the range that I want. So it's all good. Salinity is all good. Let me grab a piece of paper and pen so that I can record down and I can share to you the result of the testing today. Hold on there. Okay, so next I'll be testing the pH. So the pH is 8.3. The light is just came out, so it's pretty good. Okay, next let's test magnesium. Okay, we need 2 ml of water. Five drop of bottle 1 mg1, and then we need a scoop of mg2, 1 scoop of mg2. Okay, just stir it around to dissolve the particles. Okay, then 1 ml of mg3, need to drop it until the color change. It started to change, but still purplish. Maybe one more drop. Yep. So it already changed to a blue color, and the reading here is 0.1. So 0.1 is 1350. 1350 for my magnesium. (1350), which is within the suitable or acceptable range. I'm still dosing magnesium from Redsea. He has been pretty stable at this range, so I will continue dosing that. Okay, next we will test calcium. Sorry, we will test the calcium next. Okay, we need to take 1 scoop of CA1 bottle. 1 scoop of CA1. Okay, let's stir it. Okay, it's a blue color. Now we need 1 ml of CA2. Make sure that there's no bubble trap, any bubble trap in the syringe. So we will do the same exactly method as the magnesium to drop the solution 2 until the color change from blue to pink. Totally changed from blue to pink. So let's see the reading. It is 0.43 0.43. Okay, so the magnesium level is around 0.4 is 480. Magnesium 480. Sorry, the calcium 480. Okay, now we are going to test pH. Okay, so for Henna checker, we need to make sure that there's no bubble trap in the bottle, and there's no fingerprint mark. So we need to really thoroughly clean it, the surface, for accurate reading. So I need 1 ml of this solution. It is so easy with henna checker for alkalinity. I recommend that everyone should get this one of this. It's so easy. So the alkalinity is a little bit high. Is 12.8 DKH, as you can see from the reading that I got here. 12.8. Okay guys, it has been 5 minutes. Let's check the test result. So this bottle I have bought the solution, I mean with the test solution, and this is a tank water. So definitely not this is 3, definitely not 3, not 5. Let's see, I think it's around this range. This is 12 and this is 25. So I think the range is around either this 12 or 25, in the middle of these two, I think. Is it? What do you think? What do you guys think? Is it 12 or 25? It's in the middle of it. So I guess I take 20 as my guess for the nitrate NO3. Okay, so we're done with the nitrate. So now we'll test the phosphate. So it says after adding the powder, we need to shake it for 2 minutes. It's okay. So let's insert the bottle and okay, press and hold when it displays C2. So the timer will start. As you can see here, the timer will start. Once the timer stop, it will show the result. So the timer just stopped. The reading is 1111 111. So let's check converting this number to ppm. This is ppb. So if we convert it using a HANA website, for 111 ppb is 0.3. 0.34. You can see for 1111 is 0.34 ppm. So 0.34 is really high, and the reason why I buy this checker, phosphate checker, is because of I'm seeing hair algae in a tank, and some of the coral has brown out. Let me show you guys. Okay, if you guys can see, my SPS coral is not looking, it's actually looking very bad. This Setosa has brown out, and some of the edges there, I can see hair algae is growing on it. And same goes to the Monty cap. And one of my torch coral has losing its flesh. I'm not sure, is it because of the overfeeding the nitrate and phosphate, increase in nitrate and phosphate, see, losing the flesh. But the others, torch is still fine, still okay, but not really looking 100% good. For example, this gold torch has started to brown out, and the donut coral that I'm helping my local fish store to take care has shrunken, and I can see he is showing some bones. The bone has pierced through the flesh. Okay, so, but the rest of the donut coral is still fine. The Lobo and the Cinderella is still fine. And what I plan to do, actually the nitrate of a 20, let me just write down first, PO4 is 0.34. Okay, so guys, this is the result of my test today. So this is the result of my test today. I have the salinity of 1.026, pH of 8.3, magnesium 1350, calcium 480, DKH of 12.8, NO3 NO3 20, and PO4 0.34. So from this chart, from today's test, what I've learned that is my KH is a little bit high, 12.8, but I think it should not be the cause of the coral looking so bad with, and the hair algae that is growing on the coral. NO3 20, the nitrate amount of value 20 is actually is fine by me. I don't think it's a issue of having 20 nitrate, but the PO4 0.34 is I think is the culprit. So I have basically two things that I have in my arsenal now to combat PO4 phosphate, to reduce the phosphate. But I'm not really sure which product that I will use. Okay, the first one I have this Rowaphos from D&D Rowaphos. I can put it in my carbon reactor, replace the carbon with this Rowaphos to reduce the phosphate, or I have another product which is this Redsea NO3PO4X. Okay. The Redsea NoPo-X, in short, is what people call it. So I have this bottle. I have not used it. I bought it very early, but I did not use it because of the mixed review. This product claims that it's for algae management, and it will reduce nitrate and phosphate. So I have these two products. I'm not sure which one to use. You guys, if you have idea or you have experience using either one of these two in your tank, please comment below, share it with me before, so that I can know what's the pro and cons before I take a decision to either use Rowaphos in a reactor, or dosing carbon dose like this Redsea NoPo-X. Yeah guys, please, I appreciate your help. Please comment below. Let me know if you guys have used any of either of these two products, and how it works for your tank, and what do I expect by using either one of these products. Because right now I do not know. Both of these products, I bought it very early, and I dare not use it because I do not know, because a lot of the mixed review. I have mixed review for this product, and I have mixed review for this product. So help me guys. If you guys have used this before, let me know what's the result. Thank you. See you again next week.